Good morning students. In today's lecture we are going to see one new method for solving linear equations in two variables. Now the first method which we saw was elimination method. What we saw in elimination method? In elimination method we saw how to make the coefficients of the variable same. Now the second method which we are going to see is substitution method. So let's see the first example. Now what are the equations given to us? 8x plus 3y is equal to 11 and 3x minus y is equal to 2. So again we will begin the sum with given equations are. Given equations are 8x plus 3y is equal to 11, equation 1. 3x minus y is equal to 2, equation 2. Now in substitution method you can consider any one equation, but easier way is go for the equation in which the coefficient of any one variable is 1. Again I am repeating it. In substitution method you can consider any equation, that is either equation 1 or equation 2, but the smarter way is go for the equation in which the coefficient of a variable is 1. Now if you observe in second equation the coefficient of y is 1, so we will consider equation 2. Equation 2. Now what is equation 2? 3x minus y is equal to 2. Now I want to find out the value of y. In this case here y is minus. So if I transfer y from left hand side to right hand side, it will become plus. So what step I will get? Therefore 3x, these two will become here minus, and this minus y will become plus y. So I got the value of y is equal to 3x minus 2. Now we will substitute this value of y in equation 1. Consider equation 1. Now what is equation 1? 8x plus 3y is equal to 11. Therefore 8x plus 3y. Now we will replace y with 3x minus 2. 3x minus 2 is equal to 11. Let's solve it. Therefore 8x, 3 will get multiplied, 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6. Therefore the terms of x will get added, 8x plus 9x, 17x. Minus 6 will get transferred from left hand side to right hand side, it will become plus 11 plus 6 is 17. Very easy. 17x is equal to 17. So I can say that x is equal to 1. Now I got the value of x. Now what is my y? 3x minus 2. That is equal to, what is x? 1. 3 1s are 3 minus 2. That is equal to 1. Therefore y is equal to 1. I got the value of y. Therefore solution is x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1. So very easy method, substitution method. Now if in examination the question is solved, the students can solve it by any method. But if the method is specified, students will have to solve it according to that method, that is by elimination method or substitution method. Now let's revise the substitution method. So what we have seen in substitution method, again here we are solving two equations. So we can consider any one equation. But for our convenience, we will go for the equation in which the coefficient of any variable is 1. If you observe in this sum, the equation number 2 had the coefficient of y as 1. So what I did, I considered equation 2. From equation 2, I found out the value of variable y. And I substituted this value in equation 1. After solving, I got the value of x. I substitute the value of x in the equation y is equal to 3x minus 2. I got the value of y. Once I get the value of x and value of y, my question is finished. Now let's see the next sum by the substitution method. Now, as we have discussed in the first example, in substitution method we can consider any equation, but the smart way is go for the equation in which coefficient of any one variable is 1. Now first let's see the equations. So what are the given equations? Solve 2y minus x is equal to 0, comma 10x plus 15y is equal to 105. So again we will start the sum as given equations are 2y minus x is equal to 0. That is, now we will write this equation in standard form. Standard form is what? First we will write the term of x, then the term of y, and on right hand side we will be writing our constant. Now since we are just rearranging the term, no need to change the sign. X, what is x? Minus, so minus x. 2y, no sign means plus 2y is equal to 0. Equation number 1. What is second equation? 10x plus 15y is equal to 105. Equation number 2. Now we are applying the method of substitution method. So we will go for the equation in which coefficient of a variable is 1. So if you observe both the equations properly, in equation 1 coefficient of x is minus 1. So we will consider equation 1. Consider equation 1. Minus x plus 2y is equal to 0. Now I want to find out the value of x. Therefore minus x. On right hand side I am having 0. If I transfer plus 2y, it will become minus 2y. Minus 2y. I can cancel minus sign from both the sides. Therefore x is equal to 2y. Now we will substitute this value of x in equation number 2. Substituting x is equal to 2y in equation 2. Now what is equation 2? 10x plus 15y is equal to 105. Therefore, what is the value of x? 2y plus 15y is equal to 105. Therefore, 20y plus 15y is equal to 105. Therefore, 35y is equal to 105. Therefore, y is equal to 105 upon 35, that is equal to 3. I got the value of y is equal to 3. Now, what is my x? X is equal to 2y. 2 multiplied by 3, that is equal to 6. Therefore, I got the value of x is equal to 6. Final answer. Therefore, solution is x is equal to 6, y is equal to 3.